go. We have money. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! My friend. Tio. Oh my gosh! Back away! Oh my gosh!
Hey, get over here!
Police! Help!
Yes?
I'm getting chased by a man. No!
What happened?
Right there! Oh my gosh! Please, what you want? I have money. Please have family. I have a lovely family. Please!
Let me get out of here. You did what you said. What? You told me to take out them people. Listen, you don't give me my money, I will kill you. Okay. But pay me it now.
The thing is, the boss took it from me.
Well, boss! You both could be my boss. I will take out you if you don't pay me my money.
Conversation. Please, I'm the shift manager.
Then give me it.
Not the manager.
You
He
gotta
took it
give
with
me
him to
it.
spend it. He took some with it
Give
to
me
spend
it
it.
right now.
Please,
Oh, so you wanna end up like
I don't
them?
have it. No.
You wanna
No,
end
sir.
up like them?
No, sir.
Speak, boy. Speak louder.
No, sir.
Hey!
See?
What is happening? What are you doing to our employee?
He's threatening me.
What are you doing to our
He's threatening
employee?
me.
What are you doing to our employee? What do you think you're doing? Threatening our employee? What is going on? What is going on? Tell me right now.
I'm not doing nothing.
He's
won't pay me my
threatening
money.
me. He's trying to kill me.
Yeah, turns out he told me them people I'm supposed to take out. He didn't.
You
He
ruined.
didn't pay me my money for
You
it.
ruined one part of our company. You know what part of that is? Equality.
What?
Equality, buddy.
Yeah,
Treat
but
each
look,
other
he said he has a boss.
Same. No.
He's the killer.
What do you mean killer? Guys, speak up, or else I'm gonna shoot the both of you.
He's
Listen,
the killer.
Shut the
if you
fuck
don't
up!
pay me my money, no.
Stay still. Stay still right now. Stay still. I'm gonna come after your family, stupid bitch. Wait a minute. No more ammo. You're lucky! Come here. Go in. Come in. Come here. Shit! Log 1. I welcome the both of you at Animal Company. We're a company of both business, but also loyalty. Okay? So, guy on the left with the weird blue glasses. Yeah.
Yes.
You're gonna be the shift manager, okay? You, with the sunglasses, you're gonna be the co-manager, okay?
Okay.
You guys are gonna try to promote the company, do whatever, and don't forget, okay? Equality is everything about this place, okay? I'm gonna ask you guys some questions. You're gonna answer them, okay? With a clear voice, okay?
Yeah.
Guy with the sunglasses. Okay, so how well do you think you can handle, like, stuff, simple stuff?
I'm pretty good and well and stuff.
What's that
I
supposed to
don't
mean?
know. I don't know.
Okay. You,
Talking about,
shut up now. I'm talking to him.
okay.
As a shift
I
manager,
can,
you're gonna repair that elevator by March 11th. And if you don't, you got a punishment coming like, against you.
alright.
Okay. Wrap up everything. You got a job, both of you. And don't ruin this for me, okay? Because if you do, I'm not gonna say anything.